Hello, this is Jerome Sorilia, and today I'm going to share to you some of the things that I bought from a thrift shop. So come, let it closer and let's have fun. So basically, all these minions, including these Teletubbies, is I bought from an online, sabihin natin na thrift shop, the same time, ano siya, bidding. Well, I just bid. Hindi ko siya inakala na ako ang mananalo. Sabi ko okay na lang kasi wala pa akong maganyan. Akala ko yan dalawang malaking minion na yan is something na minion, of course. However, nung chinek ko siya, Happy Meal pala to. This one is I know Happy Meal pero ito hindi ako sure kasi may stamp. Ay meron siyang stand. Pero Happy Meal pala ito na linagyan lang ng stand para hindi matumba. Pero it's okay, though I already have those two minion. They're so cute. And then this one, not knowingly, it's a treasure for me, right? These are minions ng Mega Block. I really like them. Actually, I have 4 from that cloth. And then this one, diba? This is yung ni Gru. Of course, all of them are made in China. Pero, tingnan mo the expression nito, oh. He is so surprised. Nakita niya yung ladybug. Diba? Ang cute. And then, this one. Yung nagigitar siya. Actually, I have also like this sa Happy Meal, which I like very, very nice. And lastly, this one, Teletubbies. Diba? Alam ko 4 sila eh. Wala yung kulay yellow and kulay green, I think. Ang cute, diba? Nice. So, basically, that's all sa mga napalunan kong bidding sa Japan. And I'm really happy sa sa 4 na minions na gawa ng Mega Bloks. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.